braided hair. Now don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and let's jump straight into this video. Okay guys, so to do this hairstyle, I'm going to be using one pack basically of the Janet Collection pre-stretched hair in the color 1B. If you don't have the Janet Collection, you could just buy one pack of the Kalikalan hair or one pack of the Expression hair. But to do this bun, you do not need a lot of hair. So this is the amount of hair that I'm going to be using. So let's jump straight into this video because I'm really excited. I think this hairstyle is going to be really good. So alright, so the first thing you want to do is to lay your hair down. So I'm going to be carrying my hair all the way up and gel it down with my Got To Be glue and my Eco Styler gel. And with this, I'm telling you, your hair is going to be laid. So let's start. So now that my hair is slicked down, I'm going to be taking my braiding hair and I'm going to slick this band down. So basically using one pack. Okay guys, so all you're gonna do is to position the hair at the front and put it over your real hair, your hair. And then you want to make sure that your hair is covered. So once your hair is covered, you just collect all the hair. Okay, so I'm going to divide it into two pieces. So I'm going to leave this side out and then take this hair and cover my natural hair. And I'm going to, so I'm going to put this at the front. After you do this bun, you're going to have to re-slick down back your hair. So I'm going to twist this side like this. I want to come under the hair. We go around. Still twisting at the same time. Twisting, twisting. You go around again. Each time you twist, you're going under. So I'm gonna see how it's looking. So this is what my hair is looking like from the top now. With the bun on the top and the braiding hair. I think it looks so cute. I think it looks so cute. So thank you guys for watching to the end. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you do try it yourself. And don't forget to comment down below and tell me what you think. Like the video, share the video, you know. It looks so cute. Yeah. So I'll see you in my next video because I post videos every single Friday. Bye guys.